Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to work with GitHub in Visual Studio. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So what we want to do first is log into our account. In the upper right corner, you want to go and sign up for a new account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, just go and log in. And once you have logged in, now we can get started. Here we can take a look at our top repositories. Here we have our homepage where we can take a look at our info and so on. And now we can get started opening it up in Visual Studio. So what do we need to open up in Visual Studio? Basically nothing guys. You can just download Visual Studio in VS Code, and from there you can go ahead and get started opening up Git to work with it. If you want to set up Git on your PC, you can do so. As you can see right here in this documents page of Git, how we can take a look at how we can get started with setting up Git. So we can download and install the latest version of Git right here. As you can see, by opening up this link, it's going to take us to the official Git website where we can get started downloading it for Windows, Mac OS or Linux and get started installing it. So by opening it up on your PC, you can get started connecting it to your Visual Studio Code or just Visual Studio, and you can get started connecting yourself, authenticating from GitHub and Git, and then connecting to Visual Studio. So open it up there guys, and from there you can follow all the steps for interaction between those two. But basically that's how you set up Git and how do you open up GitHub, which you can then continue with. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.